Beautiful setting, huh?
Yeah, but at this time of year, a bunch of the other cranes that nest like in Richmond and in the bog and other areas, they all seem to like to congregate here in the fall.
Okay.
So I guess they had like 38 this morning.
Yeah, counted 60 now.
So,
Yeah.
but I say normally there's the one pair that's here all year round.
Yeah,
So,
that's right.
But,
And that pair is so tame they eat out of your hand.
yeah.
I like the picture right on that little island in the middle. Delete that little hole.
Jim.
Yeah.
Jim, thank you.
Well, at this time of year, this is probably when you're going to see the most in here, is this time of year, because then some of them will move on. But
Going south? They are going
yeah,
south?
they may go a little bit further south. And then there's, let's say there's the one pair that stays here all year round. Sandhill crane.
Sandhill crane.
And then, but it's just in the fall, that's when we'll see all these other cranes that nest in some of the other surrounding areas that'll come here and they sort of congregate here in the fall. And so, which is fun to see that many here. But they do study some of the birds that nest around here, so sometimes you'll see some of the birds that'll show up, they will be banded. And then for a while, there was, I think it was one of the pairs from Richmond, I think they had like a little radio or a GPS tracker on the one leg, but I haven't seen any with markings or bands this year.
That is cool, yeah, thank you.
That everybody will be excited about. Snow geese are starting to come in already, so.
Already? Oh.
Yeah, I heard, well, you may have, there's some flew over earlier. Snow geese, well, probably for a month or so. Yeah, okay. They'll, as they pass through, right? So.
Okay.
Everybody likes to see the snow geese.
Will you tell us a little bit more about this place?
Which about Reifel?
Huh?
The sanctuary?
Yeah.
Well, I can't remember how long ago it was established, but one of the local farmers donated the land to the federal government. And then this property here, which is part of the Reifel Migratory Bird Sanctuary, and then the property next door, which is part of the Alaxon National Wildlife Area. So, and it's a great area for to see a lot of the migrating waterfowl, shorebirds, sandpipers and stuff like that will show up in the outer ponds. The inner ponds, you get all kinds of different ducks and geese, and then of course there's all the usual songbirds and warblers and stuff like that, owls, different times of the year. So, yeah.
Ever again, but right now we need a deal.